Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to record now. First, open Capcut and import the clips you'll narrate. Place the playhead at the exact start point where your voice should begin. Make sure Capcut has mic access and select your preferred input, built-in mic or an external USB/Lightning mic for cleaner sound. Once done, tap the record or voiceover button and keep your script visible. Record short takes to avoid long mistakes, because editing small clips later is much faster than redoing long sections. Now record with purpose. Hit record and speak clearly, keeping each take to about 5 to 20 seconds. That makes trimming and retakes effortless. Watch Capcut's input meters, aim for healthy levels but keep peaks under about -6 decibels to prevent clipping. Once you have takes, trim silences and join clips, then apply noise reduction and a subtle equalizer to improve clarity. If you're unsure, duplicate the voice track before heavy processing, so you always have a raw backup to revert to. Finish by balancing your voiceover against background music and effects. Use volume automation to duck music by around 6 to 12 decibels under spoken parts, so words remain clear. Then export a short test clip and listen on phone and headphones to confirm consistent levels and natural pacing. If dialogue drifts out of sync, nudge voice clips by a few frames or apply small speed adjustments to the source clip to realign. Troubleshooting tip: if audio hiss or room echo remains,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.